With all that wind we've had in this blizzard, it's causing this sort of cornice formation that actually almost looks like a wave. Like, like pipeline, man. Look at that barrel. We're back here with Mr. SnoFro, man, calling all the action. Just think he could have been in that barrel hanging 10. Hey dudes, it's March 4th of the blizzard of 24. Get ready for some serious snow action. I got my fro on, so I'm just hanging here and watching them hang 10. So yeah, I woke up this morning, checked out the snow surf cam, and yeah, we got some huge snow waves today. The waves have picked up, and yeah, sure enough, oh, there he is, the snowman, the snow surfer on his cool wooden board. He's catching a ride of the century here on that face. Oh my God, it's so big. Woo! Look at that. Hope it doesn't close out. Oh, looks like we got another rider at the Snow Surf Contest 24. Oh, looks like a snowboarder. Oh, look at this. He's right there on the face. He's trying to survive that closeout. Let's see what happens. Oh, look at this surf action deep in the barrel. Yeah, he's getting tubed. No doubt. Oh yeah, from our amazing drone footage, we can see Mr. Snowboarder is definitely getting tubed. Oh yeah. Watch for that closeout. Alright, this wave, I think it's in trouble. Mr. Snowboarder, he's still riding it. I don't know if he can make it. Let's see. This could be it. Ah, close out. Oh shit. Oh my God, he's getting in the washing machine. Well, I'm sorry to say there's no sign of Mr. Snow Surfer Man. Oh, not looking good. No sign. But yeah, looks like the driveway's all cleaned up. All right, so long from Snow Surfing Paradise during the blizzard of 24. Can't beat these waves. I'm telling you, gotta get up here. Start surfing the waves.